Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains HD, your daily destination for everything XRP and the world of cryptocurrency. My name is Liam, and today I'm bringing you a packed update on XRP as it surges into the limelight with institutional adoption, new DeFi milestones, and some incredibly bullish predictions from analysts. If you own XRP or you're just following the market, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in with what's making headlines today. XRP is on the cusp of a major breakthrough in both institutional finance and DeFi, with several key developments converging to push the price and sentiment to new heights. First up, mark your calendars because CME Group, the world's largest derivatives exchange, is launching XRP futures this coming May 19th. That's right. In just a few days, institutional traders will be able to access leveraged exposure to XRP in a regulated environment. CME's move follows the successful introduction of XRP indices last July. And so far, history has shown that futures launches like this can be major catalysts for price action, as we've seen with both Bitcoin and Ethereum futures in the past. For context, XRP is currently trading around $2.56, up nearly 2% in the last 24 hours as excitement builds globally. This launch isn't happening in a vacuum. There are already whispers that the introduction of XRP futures could open the floodgates for an eventual spot XRP ETF, with filings reportedly under review and some experts calculating approval odds at more than 80% for later this year. If approved, such a product could invite waves of new institutional and retail investment, mirroring the upward pressure we saw in Bitcoin prices after its ETF debut. While institutional adoption is ramping up, so too is XRP's footprint in DeFi. Tomorrow, May 16, Vaultro Finance will reveal the first decentralized index fund dashboard on the XRP ledger, a milestone that promises to make sophisticated DeFi strategies accessible to all XRP holders. This dashboard aims to provide a simple, user-friendly interface for managing decentralized portfolios, increasing XRP's attractiveness as a DeFi hub. Combined with growing activity in automated market makers and the increasing presence of meme coins on XRPL, analysts are calling this the beginning of a new DeFi era for the network. Adding even more fuel to the fire, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been on an acquisition spree. Last month, Ripple snapped up prime broker Hidden Road for $1.25 billion, and there are strong hints of fresh talks with stablecoin giant Circle. These aggressive business moves are being interpreted as Ripple staking its claim as a major player in both crypto and traditional finance. On top of that, President Trump's public support for XRP, going so far as to mention integrating it into a national crypto reserve, has electrified the community. This kind of political backing is virtually unprecedented for a digital asset and gives XRP an edge in both regulatory narrative and public perception. All of these factors have prompted some huge price predictions from leading analysts and longtime XRP investors. Alex Cobb, a well-known XRP community figure, boldly projected double-digit XRP by year-end, saying, quote, "XRP didn't come all this way just to go back down to $0.60. Meanwhile, technical analysis teams are targeting $4.50 by June 2025, pointing to strong technicals like bullish RSI divergence, an ascending channel breakout, and formation of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Let's drill down into the technicals for a moment. There's a solid support level at $2.80, rising trading volume, and open futures interest climbing steadily into the launch. If XRP breaks the $3.50 resistance, chartists believe it could pave the way for testing and possibly breaching the $4.50 psychological barrier in the coming weeks. Should Bitcoin maintain its own rally and the launch of Vaultro's dashboard goes smoothly, XRP could be set for a breakout summer. But it's not all smooth sailing. Analysts remind us that crypto markets are famous for volatility, and while the odds are looking better than ever, thanks to legal clarity after the SEC dropped its lawsuit against Ripple and high-profile partnerships in payments infrastructure, everyone should remain cautious and continue their own research. Still, the mood remains overwhelmingly optimistic. Some experts have even floated the idea of XRP hitting triple digits this year, though of course, those are the furthest end of speculation and not consensus. To sum up, with institutional products rolling out, DeFi infrastructure maturing fast, business development at Ripple heating up, and even national-level political attention, XRP is experiencing one of the strongest bull cases we've seen in years. The next several weeks are set to be pivotal. That's all for today's update. If you found this coverage helpful, drop a like below, subscribe to Crypto Gains HD for daily XRP news, and smash that notification bell so you never miss another exclusive update. Share this video with your crypto friends. We're building the smartest XRP community on YouTube, and we want you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.